People with arms. Actually, when we met the IGP yesterday, he promised that he's not going to allow anybody to bring arms onto the polling stations. So, if you could see, even our MPs who are also polling agents have disarmed their bodyguards. But what we are seeing is that people come to the polling station with arms, and the police are harmless because they are not holding their arms. So this is a big challenge for some of us. I'm praying we'll be able to contain this situation up to 5 o'clock. Because we could see how the invisible forces are just moving around, displaying arms blatantly. This is quite worrying.
This is credible intel you've picked from the ground.
Yeah. My boys chased some of them and they went into the bush, and we can't locate them now. So we are here to make sure that they become alert, in order not to allow such hooligans to come and disturb the peace that we have. Assin is very peaceful. We want to maintain it, not to take it away. So far so good. We have a lot of security intelligence that we are working on. Now I can't disclose it here, but we will not allow anybody to mar the beauty of this democracy we are practicing currently.
We've gotten wind of a fake military personnel picked up already, handed over to the police by your team. Do these incidents worry you? You've mentioned your guys picking up invisible forces, is it? Chase them to the bush. Does it worry you within the NDC, these developments?
You have to stop this people. When they come, they direct them there. Okay. Hello, yes. What is happening is that I was at Breku when I saw a young man in military uniform. No, he was a fake military officer with gun on him. And he was going to vote for MPP. They asked him, he said he's an MPP. He showed his card, and the police were quick to arrest him. There are also instances where a young man with a Ghana must go bag full of currencies, hundreds and 200s denominations, and when they checked the money, it was fake. It was fake currency. So the police has also arrested the person. Unfortunately, Ekoewusi, popularly known as the Galamsey excavators camping, took the phone from one of the media personnel who were trying to record the incident or capture the incident. He had taken his phone. I formally told him to release the phone to the person. He's not a police officer to be seizing phones from citizens. So this is how far we've gone with these security issues. Unfortunately, Ekoewusi, popularly known as the Galamsey excavators camping, took the phone from one of the media personnel who were trying to record the incident or capture the incident. He had taken his phone. I formally told him to release the phone to the person. He's not a police officer to be seizing phones from citizens. So this is how far we've gone with these security issues and its management.
Right, but does it worry you as the NDC, these developments?
Oh, we are worried because we are going according to the tenet of direction given to us by the IGP.
Right.
So we are trying to be law abiding, and you could see that we have only our members who are harmless at the various polling stations, but the MPP is doing otherwise. So I will urge the IGP to act on any intelligence that they gather, so that they can forestall any occurrence of intimidation or disturbances. Anything can happen. That's what I'm praying, so that the IGP, I know for TV3 everywhere you are there, so somebody will build the IGP to take action on such information that comes out.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Honorable.